Now let's see. I'm about to measure actual run out and play on the Conrod, this cylinder that has been hydrolocked, and I got 0.3 of a millimeter feeler gauge here, and if everything's correct, I can't see any visual unalignment on the rod, and if everything's correct, the actual play, run out or play or whatever it's called in English, it should be the same all around. I've cleaned it with some brake clean to have easier to be allowed to easier feel the play and feel with the gauge. Now let's see. 0.3 should be a little bit what do you call, you would squeeze a little bit. No problem. No problem. No problem. And this one's quite hard. It's underneath. And there's no problem there either. Everything seems just fine. Now I'm sure. Now I can give it hell the summer that's coming up.